embed a video in the custom module, follow these steps. Firstly, open the experience for which you want to add the video. Go to the Build Experience section, click on the Custom Module option and drag it to the bottom. Click on the module name drop-down and click on Create New. For the purpose of this video, I am using a newly created custom module. These steps can be replicated in an existing custom module as well. Add module name. Add a call to action. To add a video, click on Insert Video option. You will see multiple options over here. Here you can either paste a video URL, or you can embed a code for the video, or you can upload a video from your system. Right now I will paste a URL. Click on the autoplay option if you want the video to start playing as soon as the user opens the module. Click Insert. Click Save. Now to demonstrate your newly created experience. This is your experience. You can see the module CTA watch video now. Here is the video that you have added.